skated off.
You skated off.
Take the pillow onto the floor.
Now, do you remember what you were doing? Go ahead.
I'm seeing it. Wow.
Hold on. Let's fix it over here, okay? All right. There you go. Show me how it's done, buddy. You gonna show me? That's not what you were doing before. Here, I'm standing up on it. Good job! Look at you go. Do it again.
Can you get your foot off?
I'll get my foot off. I'm sorry. You did it?
What?
Do it again.
Whoa.
Hey, I didn't see it. Can you do it again? Are you going to do it anymore?
Yeah.
Hey, if you're done with that, get it off. Let's put it away. Yeah, you're the man. You're something else. Can you do it again? Do it one more time. Yeah, you got some good balance, Bob. That-a-way. Whoa, what happened? You skated off. What happened?
Can I wash myself?
Well, you got to do it first. You got to do it. Fix it.
I fixed it.
Here. There you go. Now do it. So will it be surfing or skating or snowboarding?